Hello again. Before we proceed with sketch editing features, let's talk about one last thing about offset entities. Sketch a rectangle and now select offset. As you can see, since our rectangle is already selected, we can offset this. Change this value to 10 units, for example, and you can reverse the direction and you can apply bidirectional. Sketch an arc and select offset. And here's another way to create a slot. Like, you can select cap ends and then you can select bidirectional. So it applies to closed shapes too. Another important thing, make sure this rectangle is not selected. So click anywhere here, then offset entities. Then we have this option. Now, if it's not selected, select this line and turn off these. You can see this, we only offsetted this line, but when selecting select chain, we can select the whole thing at once. Hit OK. Now, Ctrl A and clear the screen. Start with a center line and draw a circle here. Now, make sure the circle is not selected and select mirror entities. As you can see, we need to select entities to be mirrored. In this case, it will be this circle. Mirror about, so we want to mirror this circle about this line. So this will be our mirror line. This line can be with some angle. So now, let's set this angle to 45. Now select mirror entities, and this time select the circle and select this line. Now when modifying this dimension, let's say 50, everything will be modified with it. Now hit Ctrl A, then delete. Sketch a circle in the origin here and give it a diameter of 50 millimeters. Now select linear sketch pattern. We can create several copies of this circle in a specific order. So the first direction, as you can see, is the x-axis, which is this one. Now the number of copies, I want to create 5 or 4 copies of this, and the distance between each copy and the other one, let it be 70. And finally go all the way down until you find entities to pattern. Click here, then select this circle. As you can see now, we have 4 copies and the distance between them is 70. The same applies in the other direction, the y direction here. So we have direction 2, which is the y direction. Let's increase the number of copies to 5, and the distance between them should be 100, for example. As you can see now, we have a pattern in this direction and we have another one in this direction. If there are some entities you don't want them, go all the way down until you find instances to skip. Click here and select the instances that you don't want, like this. Then finish the command. Now hit Ctrl A and delete. Now sketch a circle somewhere here and give it a diameter of 100 and define a distance between the origin and the center point of 250. Then finish the command. Now select circular sketch pattern. So in this time we need to create something circular like this. So the center point of the revolution will be this one, and entities to be pattern will be this circle. Now you can define the angle. In our case it's 360. We can set it to 180, for example, as you can see. So let's do 360 for now. And you also can increase this number. And as we did earlier, you can skip some entities. Click here, then select the entities you don't want. Then finish the command. For now, that's it for mirror entities, linear sketch pattern, and circular sketch pattern. In the next video, we'll proceed with the sketch editing tools and we will talk about trim entities. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.